So we're in Barcelona now, and this is a big cosmopolitan city. I visited many years ago with my kid when he was really little. So I experienced it one way, which was kind of the zoos and places that he might enjoy, including food. But it'll be nice to see what changes have happened in the food world now after so many years, see what innovations are taking place, and ending it with my own private cooking lesson, seeing what I could make will be a great way to end the day. I love Barcelona. To me, it's one of the most ideal cities. I mean, it's got everything. Great beaches, fantastic culture, excellent shopping, fun and lively people, and I believe some of the best food ever. Although it's a long time since I was last here, I still have this overwhelming happy and content feeling, kind of like I'm coming home. I'm spending the day with Yves, a social cooker as he calls himself. Yves has his own cooking classes, caters and hosts dinners, and basically loves bringing people together to cook and eat. Today is my turn. We'll be cooking at his place later on, but now he has a unique and out-of-the-ordinary restaurant we're going to in uptown Barcelona. It's called Spoonic, and it's the creation of two chefs who started off cooking dinners in their apartment, but got so popular they had to find a bigger space. So here they are in this modern and funkily decorated place, inventing and delivering mouth-watering, one-of-a-kind dishes.
Vegan.
Vegetarian or
Vegetarian ceviche.
What a great idea to have a vegetarian ceviche. No fish, no animals, just fruits and vegetables. Have you had this before?
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Yes.
You enjoy?
The vegan ceviche, yeah, it's very refreshing, and you will see all the flavors in your mouth coming
Very
together.
Yes, nice.
It's like a
It's
miracle.
a great
happening.
idea without the fish because of the vegans and vegetarians these days.
And here we have
This is
this
interesting, huh?
oil caviar. It's a small green olive, very typical from the Catalonia area.
This
This is a coriander chip.
a coriander chip?
Yes, we make the chips, or every leaf you can make a chip in the micro oven.
Yeah. So you lay it out like that and just stick it in so it dries it out a bit?
Just 1 minute.
Nice idea. It's a nice way to serve it too. You could do that.
Look,
It's finite.
that's a finish.
Wow. It's beautiful. What a fresh, nice dip. That'll go nice with my tapa.
Let's have it in our mouth,
think?
exploding.
Oh wow. I've heard about these fun audio-visual experiences. Thank you for this. Thank you for
Cheers,
this.
thank you very much.
This is the inspiration for this video. 5 different colors in
Oh,
the same
really?
river. Yeah, really.
The
Five colors
five-color river.
Thank you.
In Colombia.
Nice. And that's where you're from, Colombia.
I'm from Colombia, from the Coffee Mountains.
Nice. How long have you been in Spain, in Barcelona?
15 years ago. I'm a lawyer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, why does that always happen?
Great.
looks so nice.
Excited to taste it.
Yeah, me too.
Enjoy your
Yeah.
meal.
I hope you like it.
Was that something that's typical in Colombia?
No,
Using cactus?
Mexico?
this is our creation.
Okay.
Ooh,
The
wow.
ceviche without animals. No?
That's good. You get that?
Yes, it's fantastic. And you have the ceviche flavor still, no? And you have some crunchiness.
Yeah, you have everything but the fish itself, which you don't really need actually.
We
do
didn't
you?
kill any animal.
Yes, a lot of it's all about
Vegetables matter. Well, I wish you lots of success, and I'm glad that I'm here to try it. And thank
Oh,
you,
yes.
Yves, for
Thank
taking
you.
me here. It's delicious, and really good luck.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Now I get to see the city in style riding in a Harley. This is so cool, Hans. Close-up looks at the insane buildings here. Of course, the most famous Sagrada Familia church, designed by Antonio Gaudi, that began construction in the 1800s and isn't expected to be completed until 2026. It's really a sight to see. We drive into Barceloneta, an area near the waterfront that has a bunch of tapas places. We're going to Mayans, a tiny little place that's a sort of hidden gem in the middle of a residential street. It's one of the more reasonably priced tapas places, and so yes, it's busy. Might as well have a beer while we wait. Food looks really good. Bueno.
Sí.
Bueno, pues este es el chateau, que es la ensalada de bacalao, atún, anchoas y salsa romesco y la escarola.
Here we have the chateau salad, which has got the codfish, the anchovies, and the romesco sauce, and the scarole salad, which is a little bit bitter.
What is that?
Tuna fish.
That's tuna.
We have tuna fish, and we have codfish, and we have anchovies. This salad is coming from the time of year where the Christians cannot eat meat on Friday. So they made a heavy salad with all the sea protein, es cierto, ¿no?
Ahora voy por el cazón.
Muy
Yeah,
bien.
yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Cheers,
Cheers.
for our chateau.
Thank you. And I know that you typically drink beer, but I'll have my wine.
No, everyone drinks what he feels more.
Well, actually, that's what it is. It's so casual and nice and friendly atmosphere.
That's it. Let's taste our chateau, isn't it?
Okay.
Tuna fish.
And you said the bacalao as well, right?
Yes.
I took a bigger one. That's good.
Like it?
Oh,
Here we have
um,
cazón en adobo. This is a marinated white fish,
Uh-huh.
a mini shark with spices.
mini shark.
Yes, you know the sharks.
Yeah, I do.
It's a mini one. It's called cazón. It's a smaller version of it, and it's floured and fried.
Oh, wow.
Very
That's
typical
tender.
from the south of Spain.
Oh, so that's where the
From-
chef is from? Is he
Yes,
the
from
south?
Cádiz.
God.
Juicy.
And they put lemon or something in there to make it citrusy. Good. Little fish nuggets. Really good. More beauty.
Here we have the
this
black
is interesting.
rice.
Black rice dishes.
Yes, it's a round type of rice grain. We call it bomba rice or other types of, but it's a round grain. So the rice absorbs the flavor of the fish stock first.
Okay. Yes.
So the rice is boiling in a fish stock,
And then that
and
moistens
then
it.
they add
unbelievable.
the ink of the cuttlefish to turn everything
The black
black
color.
and creamy.
And these baby clams are in here. Oh my god.
Yes,
This is
baby clams and
The sauce is like a garlic mayonnaise.
yes, it's called aioli.
Yeah.
The traditional aioli, it's only made with garlic and oil.
Right.
But to make one spoon of aioli, you need the whole garlic
Yeah,
head.
I know. That's
This was too
amazing.
heavy, so nowadays what we
Right.
are doing is a garlic mayonnaise. With 1 clove of garlic, you do a bigger amount, so it's more.
Oh, this is unbelievable. Oh, God. Just wrap it.
Cheers.
Boy, do they make me feel at home here. Eat, drink, be merry. Who's driving? Down the hatch? Down the hatch. Back to Yves' house, just a little bit up into the hills. What a beautiful place this is. Views of all of Barcelona from this rooftop. Okay, let's get cooking.
And cheers with
Oh
our
my God,
cava.
thank you. You're gonna make me cook after all that today,
Oh,
huh?
yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready for the Romesco sauce?
I'm ready.
The Romesco sauce is the sauce we are going to use for our chickpea salad. The Romesco sauce is done with grilled tomatoes and garlics, and we are going to work with the mortar.
I love doing this, and I'm sure other people love doing this. So
Oh, yes. We are going to start mashing the almonds and the hazelnuts here. Maybe you can do that.
sure.
Just put your hands on top to avoid all the
Okay.
nuts to fall out.
And they still fly out because my hands are smaller. See? But that's so fun. What are you eating while I'm doing this? Thanks.
Yes.
Okay.
While you are
Looking
mixing,
good. Yeah.
we are going to add the smoked hot ground red paprika.
Love that
Yeah.
smell. I love that flavor.
We will combine the hot one with the sweet one.
Okay. Smelling good. What would life be without olive oil?
No life.
No. Okay, now we get the sherry vinegar.
The sherry vinegar, 1 spoon of it, more or less.
More or less.
Don't forget about our the pepper. Yeah.
Ah,
It's a bitter flavor, but
kind of fruity almost.
inside this sauce it will balance everything.
Okay. Okay, stop. It's nutty. Is it crushed enough for you? The nuts?
Yes, because then we
'Cause
can
I like
bite on
that. Mm.
some pieces. Yeah. Can you feel the smoked hot
I love the smoke.
paprika? Take into account we will mix it with the chickpeas and the cubed tomato and cucumber, which
So
is
that's all refreshing.
Yeah. Now you can press it down.
So you mush them a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Ah, we did it. We did it.
Now you can place the codfish. See, this is the salted and desalted codfish. So this fish has been cooked because of the salt.
Right.
So you
Softens it.
Final touch.
Don't tell me. Olive oil.
Of course. Shall we go upstairs?
When I was in Barcelona before, I felt a good feeling, and then just being with you today, what you've done is just beyond, beyond, beyond.
Oh,
It's
thank
been
you.
so perfect, and we've had this great weather, and to
Oh, it
end
has
it
been
here
a
in
sunny
this
day, yeah.
wow, beautiful creations that we did. No, I like the crunchy nuts and the soft
Yeah,
fish
because
and
you
the smoky
didn't mash
paprika.
them so till the end, so we have some bites.
Is that how you like it? Is that how you would normally do it? Yeah. Because I really
It's
like
the
that
root
flavor.
way, you see.
I think this is just such a great way to end the day. I want to be here for sunset, but it's not
The
for a
sun
long
is
time.
going down that
It's somewhere
way.
else.
Yeah.
So we just get to enjoy this
We can toast
spectacular
the-
view
we can
on your
toast for the
beautiful
city.
terrace, and you've welcomed me and made me feel so
You
at
are more than
home.
welcome.
Thank you so much. Finishing this remarkable day on this relaxing terrace with these fabulous views over the city, Barcelona does it again. Thanks, Yves, for giving me the food experience of a lifetime.